In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my switcher and all of those options are gray, which means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!